We can choose some battles, but not all of them. Some are more complicated and others not so much. But I swear I wasn't ready for this one. An accident happens in a second, and a thief only needs a few more. If you're lucky, the dealership will have a replacement in a couple of days. But the reality is, you'll be on a waiting list for 1 month, 2, or even longer. To solve this problem, I designed a temporary replacement. Very easy to install and tool-free. On automotive vinyl, we attach a base, and on this, we mount the replacement. It adjusts to the door's inclination and the driver's view. Avoid an accident and save on fines. Use it at speeds up to 75 miles per hour, drive your car, and don't pay for taxis or rideshare apps. It's compatible with both sides, and use it until your original part arrives. We are a solution for a world in motion. Watcha.